What's going on, guys? It's your man Josh from Life and Pets. Today we are checking out this Ninja BL660 professional countertop blender. Let's go. Alright, so let's check out this blender. So first of all, it's got 1100 watts of power. You see that there? So this is a really powerful blender. Easily blends and crushes anything that you might be trying to blend or crush. It's going to get all the fruits or the juices that you're trying to extract out of it with that type of power. Also, it's a 72 ounce capacity. See that there? So this is a really big blender, say capacity wise, and it can hold up to 9 cups. So this is perfect if you're going to be making a bunch of smoothies, if you got a party, mixed drinks, things like that. And it also, as you can see, has a single serve option. So if you do want to make a drink or a smoothie just for yourself, it does that too, guys. So this does have a 6 blade here, 6 blades total in here, as you can see. So it easily will crush anything that you are trying to blend or mix. And I will turn this on in just a moment, just so you can take a look at it, guys. Alright, so let's get ready to blend something, alright? So, as you can see here at the very top, you simply just press this release button here. This opens up, comes right off here. I'm just going to blend some ice just for you guys to take a look here. So, put it right on in here. Just a couple of ice. Okay, see the ice is in there. Alright, let me put this back on top here. Snaps right on. Locks. Is it plugged in? Yep, I got it plugged in. All right, let's go to work. Press the power. Look how quick that was. Easy, right? All right, guys, so definitely a great blender to check out here. You saw how it just easily crushed that ice, and as I mentioned before, anything that you might want to crush or blend, it will do that as well. Alright, so definitely take a look at this Ninja blender, guys. See ya.